fucking jump.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. You know what time it is. It's shoe time. A little bit of box action. Let that focus real quick. This one reads the Air Jordan 9 Retro Black University Red. You guys know what these are already. I don't know what they're calling these. Maybe cool grays we'll call them. Who knows what they're calling these. Gotta look it up. Burnt out on shoe names. This is a recent one. I'm going to get my phone now, guys, so I can look it up as we speak. Let me get this light out. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, I've been wearing a lot of 9s lately. This is known as the Jordan 9 Retro Particle Grey, even though that's not in the description. But we'll go with it. We're going to do particle grays. More cool gray colorway, but like I said, all classy materials. You like 9s? I can't see why you wouldn't want to add this 9 to your collection. When I went to go pick them up, let's see, it's not bad at all. So you got some suede in the front, then you have a sort of like a backpack material here, so this shoe should last pretty much a long time. Black Jumpman gray again, particle gray backing, black 23, red Jordan logo globe. Pretty much the same for the shoe on this side. You know what you guys think about this Jordan 9? Like I said, I pretty much enjoy them. They're not bad in my opinion. I'm happy to have them. Got wearing and standing pair. And I was able to get a couple pairs for people who wanted them. That's another look at that back. Then I give you a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. Alright guys, you know what to do. Let me know what the shoes you want to see next on the channel. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump.